Welcome to the Investment Process channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is the channel where we create generational wealth through trading while minimizing risk. Let's get into it. Okay, so I know I've been gone for a minute. It is May 14th. So we're halfway through the month, and let's take a look at NAS. Let's take a look at NAS, see where we are for the month. Okay, so looks like we're still in a uh, bullish bullish trend right now for the month. Weekly, same thing. Still got some some movement north, so I don't see it really turning around. We've cleared up this uh, candle with no wick right here on the weekly. Let's look at the daily right here. But I'm gonna actually put a daily line right here. Boom. Okay. So my daily chart, and let me move this over here so you guys can see why I marked this. We got a breaker structure right here on the daily. It's probably our next, since we have this area right here cleared up. This is probably our next point moving forward that we're gonna go to, and maybe through um, looking at this. So let's scan on down. So looking at this week, it looks like we have a little pullback on the daily, maybe a little imbalance right here. I'm not let's zoom in a little bit. Like a small imbalance right here where it may pull back to. Excuse me, a bunch of Speedy Gonzalez is out here. Still has some imbalance down here that it may pull back to as well. Don't know. Oh, look right there. Got two candles with no wicks. Um, so in my mind, the thought process will probably pull back to this area here. This is our 4 hour. We had imbalance and came back to this area. Then we got candle here with no wick, candle here with no wick. So we're probably looking at a lot of hot action right there. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that also happened within an hour. So if I was looking at this, just pop this right here. I would look for price to be pulling back to this area at some point. And since it's the middle of the month, um, it can pull back at any point. I would look for it to pull back. Going back looking at the monthly. Yeah, it can still pull back and finish strong, bullish. So yeah, I would look for it to pull back into this area here. This is on a daily. Go to my hourly chart, zoom out a little bit. I look for it to pull back into this area before it takes off. And if we're looking at that, our new range is from here to here. Hold on. This is our new range. And just within that new range, yeah, that's like a 60% discount. So that'll be perfect to get buys from that area. Okay. So again, looking for a price to pull back into this area. Go back on the hour. 13,145. all the way down to 13,085. Uh, Getting a buy anywhere in this area uh, probably puts you in a good position. Looking at the overall momentum of the market right now is bullish. Pull it back to this area to fill up this imbalance and then take off. I think that's a good plan. Let's run over here to gold. Gold for the month. Another bullish, setup. Looks like it's tapped out here. It's tested this high once again on the monthly. Let's look on the weekly. Weekly started out bullish, but it looked like it may be pulling back. Let's look at the daily. So it's pulling back. We got a lot of imbalance down here on a daily. It probably still needs to be cleared up. So just be cautious of that. I know it's still showing bullish right now. Looks like it's a little bit of pullback. It may pull back past this line. We're not too sure. Right now, let's look at our daily. Yeah, our daily range is here to here. I keep doing that. Hold on. Okay, so our daily range, we're probably looking here from a bullish move from here to here right now. Let me just go ahead, let's put it there. We're at a 60% discount, which is good. Buying at the bottom of this range puts you in a good position to get a few pips or a few points. And even if it only goes back up to challenge this breaker structure here, you could probably get a nice 3-to-1 if you buy here. Again, I would be looking for price to pull all the way back to here to get a really good position. If we do that, let's see here. Let's do it right here. Yeah. It's a nice chunk right there. If it pulls back all the way down to here. So I think that's the plan. I would be patient and wait to get in somewhere around right around here. Let me see what that is. 1979. That would be a good position for anybody. Get confirmation at that point that it's going back bullish, probably on your 1 hour, and then ride it back up to the top. Like I said, we look at that. It's good 6,000 pips. Depending on your risk size, you probably get a good. What's that? 6,000. That's at least a 5-to-1, or yeah, 4 or 5-to-1. It'd be a good trade for you guys. Good trade. Let's go over here to Japanese British Pound Yen. Let's look at this. Okay, it's still moving bullish as well. I see the monthly though is bearish, so got a little pullback. 2 weeks in, look like it's clearing up a little imbalance right here. Yeah, it came right back down to that area. Let's look on the daily how that looks. Yeah, it's clearing that up. So, and it looks like on the daily it's headed back bullish. So, looks like it's cleared that up. So, looking at this range, I would say if you are already not in a move, you still got a little playroom right here for price to pull back into, get you a little bit below 50% discount. But yeah, if you're not already in a move, I would just wait for maybe a break of structure and a pullback, and then for it to take off again. But right now, we probably have already missed the train ride back up. But you know, there'll be other trades. There'll be other days. This look like it's cleared up nicely here and here. So yeah, it looks like it's on its way back up. If you can get a quick pullback, I don't know. I don't see any too much imbalance. I'm looking on an hourly right now. I don't see any really a lot of imbalances to clear up. So I would just kind of be patient right now. Again, if you're not already in the move, I wouldn't push it. I would wait maybe for a break of structure up here. I'll wait for a break of structure right here. And what that'll do is set a new range, and it'll probably set you up in a better position to get in and get a nice 5-to-1 situation as it moves to and through this point up here. What is this here? As it moves to and through 170. So yeah, and 169, 622. If it breaks that, get your nice hour close above that and have a pullback, and then probably hop in at that point in time if you're gonna do it. Again, looking at this, you got a couple new ranges. Got lower lows, but it has to come back up here and clear up this imbalance. So again, if you're looking at it, maybe working in some bullish pips, that's great. Let me see what it looks like going the other way, since we're bearish right now. So either way, yeah. And if you do this here, you're about 50%. Let it pull back a little bit more, probably to the same thing, 169, 680. Let it come back up to there or as close to there as possible. Look for confirmation about on the hourly time frame, or maybe even because we have some imbalance. Look at these large wicks. Oh, it's cleared up. It's cleared this imbalance up. So yeah, look for a hourly confirmation that it's going back bearish. And again, I would look somewhere around here for it to challenge this again. But I would definitely look on the hourly time frame for a position above 50%, and look to run it on down. Let's look here, to and through, yeah, 167, 96, all the way down to 166.06. So it's trading plan for the week. Again, Christopher Campbell, Investment Process Channel. I appreciate you guys joining. And if you like this content, hit that like button and subscribe. Get the bell notifications on there so you guys are getting my weekly trading plans to help you mitigate some of your risk in your trading. Thanks for joining.